What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Alex here, and today I'm gonna review the keyboard Redragon RGB Varuna mechanical gaming keyboard. High speed, high control, high response. You have here RGB backlight, full without conflict, 12 media keys, gold plated, win lock. You have here your customizable mechanical switch keyboard switch. Let's see, on the bottom you have just an image. It says here high precision machinery manufacture, double injection keycaps, full key conflict free, spill proof, that's important, spill proof. Win keys can be disabled in gaming. Alright, okay, so that's about it. Redragon logo, more branding, and that's about it. So let's see. This is I paid for this, let's see here, about $0 but actually it was like 20 bucks, so 20 bucks or 30 bucks, something like that, because I got it on sale. So let's see, I have here my little knife, unboxing knife. I'm gonna cut this off. Let's see if I can open this. Okay, so you have here your ejection tool for the keys, a red color. Decent wrapping box and presentation. You have here your book, Redragon Varuna. Let's see here if you want to read. Alright, and this is how it looks. I think this part here is well, it's not metal, but I thought it was because it's cold, but it's just plastic, hard plastic, but it feels good. It feels sturdy. Okay, so just the keyboard, nothing else in the box. Let's see, I will have to plug this to the computer to see the keys, the colored keys. You have here your media buttons, so you have to press the function key. Yeah, so you have here the function key and then the media buttons, play, next, stop. Here I think is the browser. You have your volume up and down. This one is music player, I think, and mail, yeah, home, calculator, search. This one should be for the lighting of the keyboard, up and down. Also you have here some numbers. I think these are for profiles, profiles of lighting. Alright, so you have here your win lock button. So if you press FN and win, you will lock it, and probably you will see here or somewhere an LED indicating that. Yeah, so this is how it sounds. It's way more louder than a normal keyboard, but it feels good when typing. You have a nice feeling. Yeah, I would definitely see myself using this and typing all day. Yeah, it feels nice. You have to try it to understand it, but you have to trust me, it feels good. It's not you don't feel anything cheap with this keyboard. You have here a screw. I don't know if this light up, maybe not. You have here another logo. Let's see if you have cable management. Well, no, the cable just exits from the center. You have your you can raise your keyboard with these flaps here, or if I can. All right. You have also some rubber here, so on each side. Wired mechanical keyboard, made in China. All right, so let's plug this to the computer and see how it lights up. Okay, attention to details. Gold plated. Let's see if this actually works. Alright, so you had a kind of a loading there, a loading bar, and now it's having this rainbow effect, rainbow wave. I think this is the profile. Yeah, it looks very good. Well, let's see if I can change the profile with these buttons. Yeah, indeed. So these are the profiles. So you have the color switch one from red to pink, purple. This one is off. Oh no, this one. So when you type, it leaves a trace. So this one is interesting, with a fade out effect on each key, and also in rainbow colors. Alright, so let's see the next one. So this one is the standard one. This one is, oh, it has a glowy effect. If you can see, they're just glowing in all the colors. Looks cool. Next one. Also you have here a wave of colors, so nothing more. They don't light up when you type, so it's just a wave of colors. Oh, but let's see, if I type, is the wave getting faster? Yeah, if you type, the wave is getting faster, if you can see. That's very cool. That's awesome, guys. Look at this, look at this. It feels like I'm taking off. I mean, I'm going into orbit with this one. Yeah, very interesting. I mean, it makes you type like a maniac. So you increase the speed. Yeah, this one is sick. I like it. I think I will use this one. Next, we have the color switch, a gently fade between colors. Yeah, this one is softer. This one is with, oh, so this one, you have the ripple effect. So when you type, it ripples in all colors. Yeah, this one is nice too. And the last one, this is still like a wave in the stadium. And when you type, let's see if it increases the speed. Well, no, this one, if you type, it remains the same, no changes. I like it. As you can hear, there's a click for each key, so you know when you pressed it. It gives you a certain satisfaction. Yeah, this keyboard is definitely worth the money. So for $30, you should buy this. For 30 bar, you should definitely buy this for $30. It's worth the money. Let's see it in the dark. I don't know if I can make a darker scene here, but I will try. As dark as it gets. So this is how it looks in the dark. It's pretty bright. Let's see if I can increase the brightness. So this should be it. Let's put up. So let's see. So this is the brightness. So off. You have here your. Oh, so when it's totally off, it lights up these 3 LEDs here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 levels of brightness. Yeah, it looks awesome, guys. As you can see, the keys are very clear and crisp. You can definitely see what you are typing. Yeah, the build quality is just a plastic, but it's a solid one. You won't feel cheapness in this one. So it feels like it will last you way over 2 years, the warranty of two years. So no problems with that. You also have your num keys here. Yeah, so this was it, guys. You also have the software where you can change the colors, but I'll have to test that out. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next one.